Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to SHIB update right now. And yesterday I've been talking about SHIB lately, and I told you that SHIB to me has come down, and we started holding this support here. We were trying to hold the support, and all of a sudden we lost it. We came down and we kept on moving to the downside. And as I told you before, that 970 for me is a dead end. Okay, now let's face what is going on, because even if you bought up here and you got your stop loss taken at 970, the try is always worth it. Okay, if you have a pattern, always try to trade the pattern. You're not guaranteed losses or winning, or trading is just like that. It should be calculated. That is a must. You must know at the back of your head that you're calculating what's going on. It's going to go down here. The pattern has been made, so it's time for me to do the trade. Okay, and the second thing is, as I told you before, now that you've taken this, you failed to hold this pattern and you took 970 out, it's going to be time to go down here. And this is where a lot of people have their stop loss set, and I do believe you're looking to take the stop loss as well. Now let's go into the daily, and that's the inverse head and shoulder. So you got this whole pattern, you broke out, you retested, you went up. Okay, so back in the days this pretty much played out, but you didn't still go to the technical target. Reason being is of Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is the one that is dumping, and when you do have Bitcoin going down, you are going to have your altcoins moving down as well. And as far as I'm concerned, for SHIB as well, you might be looking at, if this again, okay, it's all about losing the levels. If you're going to go below 799, okay, so if you do go below 799, hit your head here, that's it. You might be looking to go down again and take this wick out there. Okay, so be very, very careful on SHIB. And that's pretty much it for the update today. And before I close the video, I just want to show you what's going on with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the one that is in trouble. So Bitcoin has a technical target, and we were looking for this move sideways, and then you're looking to go down to 27,917. So you're trading at 28,526 at the moment, and the general market is losing volume. It's like buyers are selling out, taking out their profits as well. And let's see what the sentiments are going to be like. Maybe next week we can get some opportunities to trade once again. And that's it for the update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.